What's going on? Welcome back to my Android to iOS adventure. If you'd like specs and all the deep down nitty gritty of the phone, hit up MKBHD or Lou. They do that thing much better than I could ever dream of. This is just iOS and the iPhone from the perspective of a huge Android enthusiast. Me. For a bit more of the backstory, head over here. Otherwise, let's get into it, shall we? Oh, and be sure to like, share, subscribe, and all that noise too, because, you know, shameless plug. Anyway, man, the Apple buying experience, what a thing that is. Us being Android lovers, we're used to buying Android phones off of, you know, Craigslist or the internet somewhere, or, you know, people with their coat like this. Apple, you walk into this store that looks like a, kind of like a mix between a Best Buy and an operating room. And you're approached by somebody that fits no fewer than 3 stereotypes. In my case, dude had a man bun, cuffed pants, and loafers. I guess he left his triple frappuccino mocha latte Starbucks drink, whatever the hell it is, back in the break room. But instead of going in and picking up something off the shelf and you take it to the register, the counter or whatever, and paying for it and leaving, no, you go in and you reserve a device. I was like, okay, I know there's a lot of people in here, but what? You reserve the device, they take your info on an iPad, of course, and you hang out and wait for someone else to come over and wait for someone else to bring them out to you. Bear with me. So I walk in and dude puts my name on the list. This is skinny jeans, cuffed pants, loafers guy. I just need one of those.
Just need one of those? Okay. Cool, we can do that for you. Let's get one reserved for you. Which one, the Max or the Max? Cool. What carrier are we using?
Just unlock.
Unlock, okay. What color? Black?
Yeah.
256, 64, 512.
64.
What's your first name, sir?
Brent.
Brent? Last name? Phone number?
3.
Cool, I reserved it. Let me just get you in our queue and we'll be all good.
Okay. I'm gonna try the switch from Android.
You're gonna love it.
You guys got a 2-week return policy, right? Alrighty.
Brett, right? Brett?
Yes. Yeah.
You don't mind just
ENT.
I thought it was.
Yep.
Okay.
After that, I wait, no joke, a solid 20-25 minutes at least. And I'm afraid to like go wander around the store. I don't know if I can go wander around the store and look at stuff or not, or if I have to like wait by the phone that I want. I don't know. So I just kind of hang out. So he comes over and he says, okay, you're next. She's going to be helping you.
Cool. Hang out over here. Sherry's going to take care of you next.
Okay, cool. So I go over there and hang out by her and she's just standing there. And I'm kind of like, okay, so do we go get it or what's going on here? No, someone brings it out. It's just such a weird way of doing things. I don't know. I mean, it worked fine, I guess, but I don't know. I guess they do it for a reason. I just have no idea what the hell that reason is. Amidst all of this, I verify twice that, hey, yeah, there is a 2-week return policy, right? You guys have a 2-week return policy,
Correct.
right?
Is that you would just get the big screen?
And they both say yes, so we're good to go on that front. Dude brings out my phone and she takes my card and poof, out the store I go. Very, very strange experience for us Android peeps, you know? Very strange. I got the space gray XS. I told you guys I would call it an XS eventually. 10S Max. It was an eye-watering $1,184.72 for a phone. And not just a phone that doesn't come with a quick charger, doesn't come with a headphone dongle, and is the entry-level, cheapest XS Max you can possibly get. 10S Max, whatever. That is ludicrous. But all that aside, everything's been going pretty well. I mean, honestly, I'm not going to get into it too deep here. That's for future videos. I'm still taking notes and stuff. But honestly, iOS and Apple and all them have stolen so much stuff from Android at this point that I could make do with this more or less fine. I still don't want it as a daily driver for multiple reasons. Again, I'll get into that in the future. But overall, it's fine. It's not that big of a deal. They actually have a lot in common these days. A lot more than I even expected. So yeah, that's the quickie little my experience video at the store. I mean, I don't know where they find these people that they hire, but damn. They're definitely saving resources on pants material, because skinny jeans everywhere. Anyway, more videos to come. I'll try to do them every 2-3 days, something like that, instead of every week. I don't know. I'll do them as I get good ideas together. So be sure to like, share, subscribe, and all that noise. I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.